Okay,
There
now
we
it's
go.
this way. Okay.
It's this
There's
way.
mga crystal. What's this crystal?
It's
We
for
take it
good
away.
luck.
Take away.
There we go. It's
Okay.
nice.
Ay, it's
So
in my
we're trying.
face.
What is
There,
that in your
okay.
face? Why is it always about you, huh? What is this here that you
It's
have?
parang
What for?
charity.
Charity.
Yeah, it's goes Movember. Member Foundation.
Nice. Oh,
it's for
very
men's
good.
health.
For men's health.
Ano,
because you're growing
prostate cancer,
Ah.
testicular cancer, at
Ay.
saka mental health.
Wow, because
Yeah.
because down in the testicular area there is like mustache.
Well, that causes this.
What
the
is?
testosterone. Secondary sex characteristics.
I did not know that. I thought
Yeah.
that because down in the testicular area there is like a mustache down there because about the hair.
Yeah, but that's because of the testosterone. If you have healthy testicle, then you get healthy bigote.
Oh, bigote means for all of you watching.
This one.
It's this.
This.
I also have bigote because I have not gone to threading.
Threading.
Yeah.
Ay,
You know, every time you say testicle,
testicle.
I want a popsicle.
Ay.
But it is very cold.
Well,
so
some people, they like to suck on it too.
the testicle or popsicle?
Both.
Ay, that's not nice.
Well, maybe for the people.
I don't know.
Maybe they like
This is
it.
for all of you. This is the Filipino dashboard confessional.
Ay, Filipino.
But the thing is, we're not even full Filipino. Like it's just our mother,
Our
also
mother.
known as nanay.
Nanay. Si nanay.
Nanay also means mother.
Nanay.
And we just discuss in this voice because we can bring up the things.
I
that
like how we call, like we say, nanay or the nanay.
the nanay.
Because that's definite article.
Definite,
Right?
definitive.
Definitive. The nanay.
The nanay, so they
Yeah.
know that
Which
she is
that's
the
the one.
mother.
It's not just
one.
any nanay. It's the one.
The nanay.
The nanay.
And why is it technically confessional if there is no priest
Ay,
here?
wala.
Ay,
What if you not believe in the priest?
who would not believe in a priest? That's
The evils.
that's evil.
Evil.
Evil. We're parking.
Very-
We are now parking the
Sa
car.
bahay.
Which
The
also
home.
means house, the home.
The home of
The home.
this one.
This is my house here. I bought
Ay.
a house. I did good.
Ayan.
It was
Mahal. It's expensive.
yes,
But you have a roof over your head. That's what
very nice.
matters.
That's what matters.
Thanks
Roof in
the
our
Lord.
head. Thanks the Lord.
Thanks the Lord.
The Lord definitive.
The definitive
The.
article. Yes.
It's all about grammar. You know, I'm very hungry.
Hungry.
We have to go inside.
Yes. Hungry.
And the video now is what, 3 minutes, 11, 12 seconds.
Ay, people are
13
falling
seconds.
asleep on the YouTube.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. We turn off
Bye.
now. The
Bye,
button.